as a beginner in affiliate marketing, it could sometimes be very hard to find the right niches. Now in this video, it's going to be part 2 of the 10 best niches in 2021 as a beginner. And I'm going to list a few programs that you can take a look at and sign up to and start promoting depending on what niche you select. So this is the rest of the 10 niches that I'm going to give you. This is part 2. So before we get into this video, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time we upload a video. So let's get into it. Vision, where we motivate and inspire you to create a life of abundance. My name is Gershwin, and in this video we're going to look at part 2 of the 10 best niches that you can get started into if you're a beginner in affiliate marketing. So let's jump into it. So the first niche that we need to look at is going to be the health and fitness niche. Now this niche is a very broad and big niche that you can get into. And there's a lot of things that you can do. You can promote fitness programs, you can promote membership sites, you can promote diets, you can promote training programs for the gym. So you can promote different things from different affiliate programs. But I'm going to give you a few examples, and I'm going to leave a few on the screen for you to maybe do a screen capture or screenshot. And you can maybe just go sign up to these ones if you're passionate about fitness, health and fitness. So the first one is going to be Crazy Bulk. You can go to Crazy Bulk, and they give you 40% commission on every sale, and they're like a supplement company. The second one, and the one that I would say is the best one, is Cell Health, and that is 30 to 50% commission, and you can get up to $350 per sale. So that's an amazing program, and that's a program. It's for people seeking to look younger and lose weight, and also have a better skin routine or skin condition. Then the next one is Natalie Jill Fitness, and they give you 30 to 50% recurring commission per sale, and that's like a fitness coaching program that you can promote. The next one is going to be 24-hour fitness, and that's a gym that you can promote, and you get $1 for a free sign up and an 8% commission on a paid membership sign up. Then there is Genie Food, and they give you $20 on every referral sale. So if somebody makes a sale and it's generic focused food products and diet plans that they offer, and they give you $20 on every referral sale. That's the fitness niche. And let's look at the second niche. So the second niche that we're going to look at is going to be website building and web hosting. And they have a few programs as well. And like in 2021, website building and web hosting is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. And there's a lot of different programs coming out that you can sign up and you can promote as well, and programs that's been around for years. And for some of the programs, I don't know if you heard about a program called, or a website builder called Wix.com. And with Wix, you can earn $100 plus when you refer somebody to buy the Wix premium plan. And that's a very good website builder. Then there's WordPress Engine, and they give you $200 per sign up. So if somebody signs up, you get $200. And they also a web hosting and also a website builder, but they're very difficult to actually build a website on. And then the best one, and this is something that a lot of affiliate marketers promote, and that is called Bluehost. So with Bluehost, it gives you anywhere between $65 up to $130 per sale if you promote that, and that's a web hosting. So that's for people that has a website but they're looking for hosting for their website. They'll go to Bluehost. Then there's something called Flywheel, and they give you 300% commission up to $500 per referral. And they also like WordPress, and they are a web hosting. Then there's 3D cart, 3 and D cart, and they give you 300% commission as well, which can run up to $678 or $87 per referral. And then there is another good one, Big Commerce. Big Commerce gives you 200% commission, which can run up to $500 per referral. And then I'll leave a few others here as well. The last one is Shopify. Shopify gives you $58 when somebody signs up to their platform. So that's the second one. Then the third one is the tech and gadget niche. And with this niche, you can promote physical products like Amazon Associates, where you can maybe promote physical products that's in the electronic market. And I'll give you a few programs that you can actually look into and maybe sign up to if you a person that want to get into tech and maybe tech reviews and gadget reviews, and then you can promote these in your YouTube channel or even TikTok or on your Instagram if you want to do that. So let's look at a few programs. So a few programs that I have here is GearBest, and they give between 9 to 15% commission depending on the product. So that's electronic products, drones, toys, smartphones, computers, and kitchen and appliances. Then there is Target Direct. They give you 1 to 3% commission on each referral sale, and they do like computers and motherboards and components and memory cards and stuff like that. Then there's GameStop. You probably heard about GameStop. They give you 1 to 5% commission on every sale referred, and they in like video game consoles, premium electronics, downloadable content, points, notebooks, laptops, and tablets. Then there's Microsoft 365. They give you between $5 and $20 per sale, depending on which Microsoft 365 program a user signs up to. Then there's Fitbit, and they give you 3% commission, and they are like smart watches and trackers and scales, stuff like that. Then there's Think, and they give you between 4 to 12% commission, and they like home smart gadgets. So you can get into any of it, like home smart gadgets. They give like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi speakers, intelligent heating, thermostats, doorbells, and motion sensors, stuff like that. So that is the tech and gadget niche. Then number 4 is going to be personal finance. And with personal finance, this one is also big in 2021. Personal finance and investment. And this is where you would help people to direct them to an investment plan, direct them to maybe learn how to manage their finances, learn how to work with money, stuff like that. And I'll give you a few programs that I have on here. And the first one is called M1 Finance. You can earn up to $100 instantly each time an account you referred reaches $1,000. And they investment in EFTs and stocks. So if you promote that and somebody signs up and they get their account to $1,000, you get $100 from that. Then there's Zax Trade. They give you $70 for every new customer account created, and they also stocks, options, and EFTs, also in the stock investment niche. Then there's something called New Frontier Data. They give you 15% commission on all completed sales, and they in data and reports for investment in the cannabis industry. Then there's BitBond. They give you 20% commission if you refer a borrower and 30% commission if you referred a lender. So this is peer-to-peer business loans. Then there's also Peer Street. They give you $30 per lead, and that's real estate investment. So it's very good programs here. Then the one that I would say is a very good one is called Lead Network, and I've heard of them a lot of times. Lead Network gives you 90% commission, earn up to $230 per lead, and they do payday loans and personal loans. Then the last one that I'm going to, the rest I'll put on the screen, and you can just maybe screen record it, or maybe just capture it on the screen, do a screenshot. And the last one is Prosper. And Prosper gives you between $100 to $150 for a borrower lead, and that's peer-to-peer loans, loan marketplace. Then the last and final one is the one that I'm into, and that's affiliate marketing courses and affiliate marketing programs. That's where you promote programs like Legendary Marketer. I'm going to name a few. The one that I'm promoting is the 3-day breakthrough from Jonathan Montoya, where they teach you how to start affiliate marketing, and you can choose any of the niches, like make money, health, or wealth, or relationship niches that you can choose. And there's also programs like Entra. There's programs like, let me see, I'll probably name a few on the screen that you can check out to and you can sign up to. But the one that I'm promoting is the 3-day breakthrough from Jonathan Montoya, where he teaches you in 3 days how to start your affiliate marketing business. And it's only $7. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in my description, and you can maybe check it out if you want to do that. It's only $7, and he teaches you how to set up everything from scratch if you're a beginner. So if you want to check it out, the link is in my description. And then if you want to check out my free 4-day success series, where I will train you how to start affiliate marketing for free for 4 days, and I'll give you the basics of what is affiliate marketing. And you can actually see if affiliate marketing is actually for you when you go through the 4-day success series that I have, and it's absolutely free. If you click the link below, it will say E to E Groove, and once you sign up, I'll promote the 3-day breakthrough there. You can sign up if you want to do that, but you don't have to pay anything. It's totally free, where I will teach you how to start your own affiliate marketing business, and I'll give you things that you shouldn't do and the things that you should do in the affiliate marketing game. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was actually helpful to you, and I hope I gave you more ideas and different niches if you're maybe struggling to find the right niche for yourself. That you can actually look into the 10 niches that I gave you with these 2 videos that I showed you. And once you select one, stick only to that one niche, and then select programs in that niche. So don't go from the fitness niche to the tech niche. Try to choose just one niche and focus on that one niche and choose programs in that niche. I gave you full programs, but you don't have to select these programs. You can actually look at different programs online. You can just maybe do a search, but I wanted to give you ideas of different niches just to help you out to get started with affiliate marketing. And if I've done that, please like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a video. Until next time, be blessed and create success. Bye.